You've probably seen Iman Gadzhi's videos, the ones with slick animations that look like they belong on Netflix. The kind of videos that make you stop scrolling and wonder, how did he do that? But let me guess, you assumed After Effects was behind it all, right? It's the industry standard, and for effects that sharp, it must be the only way. Yeah, After Effects is powerful, but let's be real, opening it feels like staring at the Matrix. There's a million buttons, layers, and menus. Just figuring out how to animate text can lead you down a rabbit hole of tutorials that barely make sense. But here's the twist. You don't need After Effects to pull off those viral effects. With Filmora, you can get the same high-end results without the headache. It's simple, fast, and designed for people who want professional results without spending months learning a complicated interface. No crazy learning curve, no need for 30-minute tutorials just to add a glow effect. Today, I'm going to show you how to edit like Iman Gadzhi without losing your mind in After Effects. If you'd like to explore Filmora, check out the first link in the description below. Let's jump right in and start with the first step. A key technique often seen in Iman Gadzhi's videos is screen replacement, the effect where someone holds an iPad and the screen displays content that wasn't originally there. It's smooth, seamless, and perfectly tracks the movement of the device, creating a polished, professional result. Achieving this in After Effects usually requires planar tracking, numerous keyframes, and precise adjustments, making it a time-consuming process. With Filmora, the process is much simpler and faster. Start by importing the clip of someone holding the iPad into Filmora. Go to Video, select AI Tools, and click on Planar Tracking. In the Advanced mode, drag the 4 corner points to align with the edges of the iPad screen. Once the alignment looks accurate, hit Analyze and let Filmora handle the tracking automatically. That's it! Filmora's AI locks the new video or image onto the iPad screen, seamlessly tracking the device's movement without the need for manual keyframing or masking. In After Effects, achieving this could take hours, but with Filmora, the entire process can be completed in just a few minutes. This technique instantly elevates your edits, enhancing production value without requiring complex skills. It's the kind of detail that draws attention and adds a professional touch, keeping your workflow simple yet impactful. Creating 3D perspective is a great way to add depth and motion to your edits, making text or graphics that feel like they're jumping off of the screen. This subtle effect can dramatically enhance the overall visual appeal of your videos, and if you've seen Iman Gadzhi's content, you've likely noticed how dynamic his animations look. Whether it's text zooming outward or rotating slightly to create dimension, 3D perspective adds a cinematic touch that grabs attention. In Filmora, achieving this effect is straightforward. Start by stacking 2 timelines, one for the background and another for the text or image you want to animate. Add the basic 3D effect from the transformation menu to the top layer. Once applied, use keyframe animation to gradually add outward motion, adjusting the tilt, rotation, and zoom over time. This simple layering method creates a smooth 3D effect that evolves as the clip plays, giving the illusion of movement and depth. For example, begin with flat text and apply a slight backward tilt. As the clip progresses, animate the text to zoom outward or rotate toward the viewer, enhancing the feeling of perspective. This small but effective adjustment makes even basic edits feel more dynamic and engaging. In After Effects, creating this effect requires working with multiple layers, rotation axes, and complex keyframing. In Filmora, the process is streamlined. Just a few clicks and adjustments bring the 3D perspective to life. It's an efficient way to add polish to your videos without the need for extensive post-production knowledge, creating professional quality with minimal effort. A hallmark of Iman Gadzhi's editing style is layering himself over animated backgrounds, text, or graphics. Typically, achieving this effect would require a green screen or meticulous masking, both time-consuming processes prone to imperfections. Filmora simplifies this with the Upgrade AI Portrait Cutout feature, allowing you to extract the subject from the video without needing a chroma key. To apply this, select the video clip featuring the subject and navigate to the Effects tab. Choose AI Portrait and Filmora's AI will instantly isolate the subject, cutting out the background while preserving fine details like hair and handheld objects. The tool ensures cleaner edges compared to traditional masking techniques, creating a seamless, professional look in just a few clicks. This process eliminates the need for frame-by-frame adjustments or complex manual masking. While achieving similar results in After Effects can take significant effort and refinement, Filmora streamlines the entire process, making it accessible and efficient. The AI portrait cutout feature is ideal for creating layered visuals in YouTube intros, promotional videos, and social media content. It enhances the overall production value, allowing editors to craft polished, engaging visuals that stand out without the need for specialized equipment or extensive editing experience. Bringing all the elements of your video together requires careful adjustment of colors and transparency to ensure they blend seamlessly. This step might seem subtle, but it plays a critical role in creating a cohesive and professional final product. When layering text, graphics, or cutouts over footage, they can sometimes stand out in a way that feels disconnected from the overall composition. Fine-tuning the opacity, blend modes, and color grading helps unify these layers, making them appear naturally integrated. To begin, select the layer you want to adjust. Lowering the opacity slightly allows the layer to merge softly with the background, preventing it from appearing overly sharp or out of place. Experiment with blend modes. Options like multiply, overlay, or soft light can allow shadows and highlights from the background to subtly interact with the overlay. If the layer still doesn't feel like it fits, apply a soft color tint or gentle glow that complements the existing tones in your footage. Though these adjustments might seem minimal, they have a significant impact. They ensure the video feels fluid and immersive, preventing any element from looking artificially placed. It's a small yet essential step that enhances the overall quality, resulting in a more polished and visually harmonious video. To clarify, this video is a sponsored collaboration between Filmora and AI Uncovered. While it is sponsored, we make sure to keep the breakdown honest and focused on showing you how to achieve professional edits using Filmora. Now that the essentials are covered, let's dive into a couple of bonus 3D effects that add even more flair to your edits. These subtle yet impactful techniques can transform ordinary visuals into dynamic, eye-catching moments that hold viewers' attention and elevate the overall quality of your projects. The first is a 3D spinning logo animation, a staple in sleek video intros and branding content. This effect not only adds movement, but also reinforces brand identity in a way that feels modern and engaging. To create it, apply keyframes at the start and end of the clip. Adjust the rotate value to 360 degrees, allowing the logo to perform a full spin. For continuous rotation, duplicate the clip and loop it. This technique draws the viewer's eye immediately to the logo, adding a professional touch that enhances visual appeal without appearing overly complex. Next up is the 3D rotation animation, commonly used in corporate videos or explainers to make flat elements stand out. This effect introduces slight depth and movement, making static text, infographics, or images feel more interactive and layered. Start by applying tilt and rotate keyframes to the layer, gradually shifting their values to create smooth, continuous motion. The result is an edit that feels refined and dimensional, reinforcing the polished look of your final product. These two 3D effects are quick to apply but significantly enhance the visual dynamics of your edits, boosting engagement and making your content more immersive. With all these techniques combined, you're left with a video that mirrors the polished, professional content seen in Iman Gadzhi's work, all without ever needing to open After Effects. And that's it. Professional level editing made simple with Filmora. Whether you're a freelancer, a YouTube creator, or just someone passionate about video editing, these tools unlock creative potential without the steep learning curve of traditional software. If you're ready to experiment with these effects, check the links in the description to download Filmora and give it a try. It's a straightforward way to elevate your videos and add that extra layer of polish that keeps viewers coming back. If you're ready to explore Filmora, check out the first link in the description below. If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.